Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, January 27, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote any LiveGood product individually, okay? So instead of promoting your entire shop page, if you want to just promote, for example, the CBD oil for pets, I'm going to show you how you can do that, okay? The first thing you want to do is you want to go into your back office, and you're going to go down to My Websites. All right, now you get 3 websites when you become an affiliate for LiveGood, all right? You have the corporate site, you have the retail site, and the Powerline landing page. You're going to want to click on the retail site, all right? So open this up. All right, once you're here, then you can just go and click on products, and you just pick a product that you want to promote, okay? So you can promote these in Facebook groups, on any social media platform, really. And or you can send it out in an email, whatever you want to do. But let's say, for example, we click on the CBD oil for pets. All right, that opens up to here. Now you want to go up here and grab this URL. All right, I'm just going to copy and paste this over in a Word doc so that you can see what I'm doing here. All right, so paste it in. And now what you want to do is you're going to add question mark, enroller, equals, and then you're going to put your username. All right, you're going to add this to the end of whatever product link that you're using. And you also want to be sure that you're getting the link from shoplivegood.com. Okay, don't go into your back office and click on shop. That will not work. All right, it has to be from the retail site. All right, so make sure you open up the retail site, find a product that you want, and then you're just going to add the question mark enroller equals username. All right, and I'm just going to show you this for an example here. I'm going to do this over here. I'm going to open up a tab in incognito mode. I'm going to paste this link here. All right, and then on the end, I'm just going to put Russ. That's my username. All right, and when I click on this, all right, you're going to see it says welcome to Russ website, and it goes right to the CBD oil for pets. So when somebody clicks and buys on that, you know, it's going to be under your site. So this is something that's just been added, and it's going to change the game for everybody, okay? I mean, just imagine the power this has to go, you know, to promote these individual products. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video and show you how you can do that. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Our team continues to grow. I mean, we're well over 300 team members now, and it's getting more and more exciting. So if you want to learn more about becoming an affiliate for LiveGood, I have a link down in the description box. If you click on that, you'll be taken over to a page that looks like this. There's a 5-minute and 55-second video that goes into great detail about the company and how everything works. And then you can reserve your position in our matrix by entering your first name, last name, email, and clicking the Reserve My Position Now button. All right, folks, this is something you don't want to miss out on. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and that is no joke, okay? I've been doing this for 16 years. We have people making thousands of dollars a week already in this company, and I've never seen anything like it. All right, so hop on, watch the video, and even if you don't become an affiliate, you can pay $9.95 a month and be a member and get our products like the CBD pet oil for $22. All right, this is 300 milligrams for $22. I saw on another video someone did in my matrix about a 115 milligram pet oil. It was $30. All right, so you can't. These products are the highest quality. I'm actually drinking green juice that I made. All right, this has lemon, celery, cucumber, green apple, and then I put the essential aminos in this, and it is out of this world, all right? It's my new favorite drink. I had been mixing it with just distilled water or spring water. I'm going to start putting it in my juices. So anyway, if you have any questions, like I mentioned, leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want to check out more about the business opportunity side of this, click the link and you'll be taken over to the page I just showed you. So I hope you see the power in just being able to promote a single product individually This is going to take everything to the whole next level. So that's it for this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I thank you. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.